Hey there, young explorers. Get ready to see the world up close with the Kids Adventure Binoculars in vibrant green and blue design. Perfect for curious minds, these lightweight, shockproof binoculars bring nature to life with crystal clear, 8 times magnification, ideal for bird watching, hiking, or backyard adventure. With an easy to use focus knob, soft eyepieces for comfort, and a durable design made for little hands, these binoculars are the perfect tool to turn any outdoor moment into an exciting discovery. And here's the best part. Each set includes an exclusive sticker book featuring 40 amazing bird species. Spot a bird, find its sticker, and start your own wildlife collection. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.